All right, guys, we've got the Patelai Knockdown Texture Sponge for drywall patch sealing stuff. So great for home decor, great for like drywall patching, all that kind of stuff. You've got two of them. They are 5.9 inches by 5.1 inches. You can see you've got it flat on one side, round on the other side, like that. And you do have two of them, identical in size and everything. They just come in a nice little bag, just kind of like vacuum sealed, and they're going to be ready to go. These are great for like textured drywall when you're looking for that kind of like you're trying to patch it but not, it's got that texture on it. So you just want to keep the texture going. These are sponges that are going to be great for that. I think the value is incredible when I'm looking at the number on the product page. They sell a ton of these. They sell over 1,000 per month, and it's got uh, almost 1,500 about 4.5 star reviews, which is very strong for a product like this. So I highly recommend.